Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in today's video, it's going to be a part one of at least a two-part series of how to grow ginger. But before we get into that, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to the channel so that you can catch the second part. So yeah, let's get into it. So we went to our pantry earlier this week and we found some ginger that was left over that started to grow. So I figured I'd try to grow it. Never grown ginger before, but we're going to try it. From what I've read, they need a lot of heat and a lot of water since they're a tropical plant. So what I've got here is a pot full of potting mix, and today we're gonna plant it and get it started. So I dug it down a little bit and we're gonna plant it. All right guys, so we got our ginger. What we're gonna do, as you can see, there's a little bit of a sprout here, and I'm gonna kind of have that just underneath the dirt, just barely underneath it, so it can grow up out of it. So what I'm gonna do is place it in the middle here. Put some dirt around it, get it in there a bit. So it's just peeking out right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna water it. We're gonna give it a nice good soaking to start out with. I'm just putting in 2 cups of water here. I want it to be pretty well soaked for it, since they do like the wet environment. And that's it, that's what we're gonna do. All right guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. If you wanna see the part 2 of this video, please hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the like button. And if you have any tips for me to how to better grow ginger, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks guys, we'll see you guys next time.